So during the COVID-19, I set up a couple of box fans, window box fans, with the 3M Filtrete 20x20 filters, and I've had them running 24/7 since March 15th. And as you can see, these things catch a lot of stuff in the air. And I've got two of these running. Just to filter the air. Now this Filtrete filter, this is the one that does bacteria and viruses to something like 99-point-something% effective. Whether it helps or not, who knows? But you can definitely see how much it catches. And I'm about to replace these with a little bit of a downgrade. But if you notice the difference in color, I mean, the amount of stuff that these things catch. Now, I've done a lot of work, home renovations, and I've always used box fans. I usually have 2, 3, 4 of them set up around the house to catch any of the drywall dust, construction dust, whatever it is, because the stuff goes everywhere. And I really don't want to breathe that in, and not so much me, but for my kids. So, do yourself a favor. Get some of these fans set up. Real simple. I usually have it just lodged up against something in the back, so if you do lose power, the filter doesn't, just flip back and release all the crap that it catches. Or you can just put like a little tie, zip tie or something just to keep it on, or maybe even just a half a clothes hanger or some copper wire just to keep it from falling backwards. But like I said, I've got these things running, and they just seem to do a really great job of catching all the regular crap in the air. And what is it? It's June, I don't know what date it is. It's like June 13th, I think. So March, April, May, June. So these have been in operation. These have been in service for 3 months, and you can just see how much they've caught. And I'm going to replace these now, but I can't say enough for the box fans, with the filters, especially if you're doing any construction around the house. Hopefully this helps anybody that's looking to just clean the air in your own room. Just thinking about, my wife works in nursing homes. I would just think that these things would be great to have set up in the nursing homes to catch all the stuff floating around in the air, since they're some of the most susceptible to getting the virus in the first place. But anyways, that's all for now. Hope this helps. Thanks, bye.